Building a PC is 10% tech knowledge, 90% questioning your life choices with a screwdriver in hand. Fun facts: your CPU can process billions of instructions per second, yet somehow, you still can't remember where you put the tiny M to screw. It's gone. Accept it. Thermal paste isn't actually paste, it's stress in a tube. Too little, your PC becomes a toaster. Too much, congrats, you've baptized your CPU. Cable management is like art, but instead of paint, you use zip ties, rage, and shame. Bonus glitch: there's a moment in every build where the PC won't turn on, and you question everything: the parts, the power supply, your entire purpose in life, until you realize you forgot to flip the switch on the back. So remember, building a PC is just adult Lego with emotional damage.